Hello, you beautiful 99ers. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Sway to the 99, and I typically post Dollar Tree walkthroughs, hauls, 99-cent only store hauls and walkthroughs, and budget meals. So if that is something you're interested in, definitely hit the subscribe button. In today's video, I'm actually at the 99. I am actually doing a budget meal. However, I am actually picking up the ingredients that I need. So I figured, you know what, as a special Thanksgiving week treat, I wanted to bring you guys along with me as I grab all the ingredients and maybe do a tiny little walkthrough to see if there's anything else that we can get in time for Thanksgiving dinner. So let's get the items and then back to the kitchen. All right, so the first item I need for this recipe is the enchilada sauce, and there's only hot picante version, so I guess it's going to be a spicy one. So yeah, this is the first item I need. Okay, I also need a can of black beans. This is perfect. I just didn't have time to do my homemade version where I soak the beans overnight. All right, and now let's pick some avocados. Let's see if we gotta find the right ones. I think this is, let's see this one. Store is a little busy today. Obviously, it's the day before Thanksgiving, so things are a little crazy. So I'm gonna pick one up now. And of course we need some fresh cilantro. Ooh, smells very fresh, so this one's coming home with me. And I need some garlic as well. This will definitely give it all the flavor it needs. And the recipe does also call for bell peppers. I only see the green ones, unfortunately, so I will just be using these. I usually like to use the multicolors just to give the plate a lot more color, but this is the only ones I have, so I'm gonna grab what I can get. And the next item I need is this penne pasta. And now you're probably confused as to what exactly am I making. I'm actually making fajita, vegetarian fajita pasta. I'm really excited to try this, so I hope you guys try this one as well. And a quick reminder, if you guys are in need of apples, they have tons of them left. I think most stores still have a lot left from Deals Day. Definitely check your local 99s to see if they're bringing up for 99 cents. At this location, they're actually bringing up $3.99, but I know some stores may be adjusting the price because of the quantities. But again, check your store. This location has both red and green apples, so check it out. And if you did forget to make the pies or just are out of time, they have these here at the 99. They have pumpkin pies, and I think they also have some apple pies back there as well. So definitely come to the 99 if you're running out of time. And of course, no Thanksgiving dinner can be complete without a nice glass of wine. So they do have a variety. I'm actually going to get this rosé. I think I've tried this one before. I really liked it, and the owl one is definitely my favorite, but I think I want to try this label today. And it is only $3.99. So a lot, not all, but a lot of the 99s do sell wine. So again, last minute needs, head over to the 99 today. And I'm heading out of the store now, but I just wanted to quickly remind you, if your store does sell flowers, this is a perfect opportunity to pick some up for your table, or for if you are visiting someone's home, you can come with a bouquet of flowers, and these are beautiful, only $12.99, and these are $4.99. So all right, let me head to the kitchen and get this meal started. All right, so I'm back from the store. I'm so glad I got out of the 99. It was a little crazy in there, but I'm just glad I got everything that I needed. And I did take a quick break just to give myself a little trim, so all right, so as a reminder, I know you probably didn't hear me in the beginning of the video. I actually am doing a fajita pasta. So I figured, you know what, rather than do a traditional mac and cheese, I wanted to do something very different and unique. And I thought this could be a really fun way just to introduce a new dish into your Thanksgiving dinner. So with that, I'm just going to quickly glance over the ingredients and get into the cooking part. So here are my ingredients. Of course, I do need some seasonings, and I did grab the already cooked can of beans. I figured it'd be easier, and of course, I do need some enchilada sauce to make this. I did buy 2 cans just in case. I did have onion already, so I didn't buy any new ones. I still had some from my previous cooking video, and of course, I had to grab cilantro. And even if I don't use it all for this, obviously I won't use it all for this. I will actually use it for breakfast smoothies over the next couple of days. So gotta love my smoothies, and I love cilantro in my smoothies. Of course, I do need pasta. I always use this in just a lot of the meals that I make throughout the week. And of course, lastly but not least, my garlic, 1 green pepper, and I did grab a bag of the avocados, and thankfully they were only $1.99. So here are all my ingredients for the veggie fajita pasta. Oh, one quick thing, guys. If you are new to my channel, I love pineapples and I'm not couponing for cost. Sorry. Oh my God, RJ Olives actually has sent me this apron. So I do wear this in every cooking video when allowed, or when the apron feels like it, because the apron's a bit of a diva. So she, she was okay to come out today and be on camera. So, all right, so I'm gonna start chopping up my veggies. The pasta is already in the pot, so it's gonna be boiling for a few minutes. So that gives me enough time to get everything else prepped. And I really do hope you guys try this recipe for your Thanksgiving dinner or any of the holidays coming up. I think this is definitely a great, unique idea to bring to your Thanksgiving or holiday dinner. It's just something different other than the usual traditional items. And you guys know me, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I like to make things very unique. So I'm gonna put this to the side. I absolutely love garlic. The one thing I definitely I struggle with is the morning after. I could brush my teeth 5 times and eat, or chew some gum, and I can still taste the garlic in my breath. Hopefully no one else can. So I think I'm gonna go a little crazy today and just add a lot more garlic. Why not? You guys thankfully can't smell through the camera, so. I haven't had just green bell peppers in a while. I usually like the orange ones just because I feel like they're a little bit sweeter. But for the purposes of this video, this definitely should do. Going to finally chop it. Chopping up my onions. You guys know my favorite part. One thing I forgot to mention in my ingredients list is that I am adding taco seasoning. I did have this. I got this for free, so I'm going to be including it in today. So that's why I didn't purchase it at the 99, because I had one at home I got for free. The cooking going. I'm like, what am I saying? So I'm going to do saute the garlic for a little bit. I'm going to throw in the onions momentarily and then put everything else in. So can't wait to try this. All right, so now to add the rest of the ingredients into the mix. Add in our bell peppers. There we go. Ooh, sorry about that. And a little bit of the taco seasoning, or a lot. So I'm gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes, and then I will throw in oh wait, almost forgot the beans. Probably gonna throw in about half the can. Actually, yeah, I think that's good. I don't want to make it too mushy. So I'm gonna let that cook for about 5 minutes, and now I'll throw in the pasta. All right, so now to get some of the pasta into the sauce, or into the mix rather. Just gonna start off with about half. Stir it up and see if I need any more. And I'm telling you guys, this smells so good, and I feel like I say that in every video, but it really does smell delicious, and I can smell the spiciness already, so I'm a little nervous. All right, so now for the avocado fun part, I'm just gonna do them in long slices, and should be done momentarily. And again, I wish you guys could smell this plate, because I can smell it from the stove. And it smells so delicious, so scoop it out. All right, I'm gonna start plating it. So, oh my God, this smells so good. And don't worry, I will show you in a moment what it looks like. And here is the final product. How beautiful does this look? And you can still see the steam coming out of it. I am so proud of this dish. It smells so good. And I hope you guys will try this at home. This is the fajita pasta, and as you guys saw, all the ingredients were found at the 99-cent only store. So I'm gonna sit down for a couple of minutes and chit chat with you guys, so I hope you guys can stick around. So I'll give it a quick taste test, and let's see what I think. All right, so for now, for the most exciting part, to give it a quick bite and see what I think. But so far it smells delicious, so I'm sure it will not disappoint. I want to make sure I get a little bit of avocado, just a little bit of the veggies. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. Okay, it's a little spicy. Mmm. Wow. Mm-hmm. This is really good. It's just a little hot. Mm. That's much better. Whew. It's warm. But it came out really good. I'm really excited. As you guys saw, the ingredients are really simple. Garlic, onion, black beans, bell pepper. I said garlic. And of course the sauce to kind of bring it all together, and of course top it off with a little bit of cilantro and slices of avocado. And this could definitely be, if you like spicy, this could definitely be a great additional side dish for your Thanksgiving dinner or your holiday dinner. So I kind of did that in mind for you guys, just to kind of give you a different idea for something to do for the holidays. So, oh man, this is so good. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day. If you guys, excuse me, if you haven't already entered, I am doing a giveaway in my latest 99-cent only store walkthrough. So definitely check it out. I will link the video down below. And I just have to say thank you so much to everybody who's been entering and just sharing your personal stories, and just, just sharing a little bit of your life and what you're going through right now, or what you have gone through this year. So thank you for that. I'm just so blessed and so fortunate to be able to connect with every single one of you in such a personal level. And that is something that I really admire about YouTube and what I do, and what many of us do here on YouTube. We get on camera, we show our hauls, we show what's in the stores, but what really drives me is the connections that I make with every single one of you. Every single time I post a video and there's a comment, I always make sure to respond back, and building those relationships is just amazing. There are days where it can get a little tough to get on camera, just crazy schedule, or just life happens. But you guys definitely make it so much worth it. So thank you so much for that. And I really am excited for what's coming up next week, actually. So next Saturday, I'll be down in SoCal with Couponing for a Cause. I am one of the sponsors of the toy drive this year. So I am going to be attending the toy drive, and I'm going to be down there for the weekend as well. So hopefully I will get to show a little bit of the event. I know with Copa now they can't really show children, so I will try to figure that out. But I will try to show you as much as possible. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna have grab another bite while we're chatting. So I'll definitely show you as much as I can. But I'll definitely do a walkthrough in SoCal again. And I'm really excited, and I am very excited because I do have a couple of things that I'm working on for 2020, and I won't tell you just yet, but trust me, it's huge. So I'm really excited, and it's definitely something that I've been wanting to do for a while. So I'm really excited to where this journey is taking me. So yeah, so I won't go too much into detail with that, but trust me, it's something that will benefit hopefully a few people out there. So yeah. So I hope you guys are gearing up for the holidays. I know a lot of you are traveling or are already at your destination, or just staying local. So I hope you guys take the time this weekend just to enjoy your families, enjoy obviously some shopping, and just remember, if there's definitely a lot of people out there who are in need. So if there's any charities that you guys love, just remember to check in. Maybe you can give them a donation. Or whatever. I think this is definitely the time to give, and to obviously give thanks for what we do have. So yeah. So thank you so much for watching. I think I'm going to wrap up the video now. I think I've taken too much of your time as it is. So thank you for sticking through to the end of this video. As always, I will be back on Saturday for my 99 cent store walkthrough, and I will also be announcing the winner of this giveaway. And don't worry, I also have a December giveaway coming up, so lots of giveaways. And this is my way of saying thank you for everything that you all have done for me. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you on the next one, and don't forget, as always, don't forget to do the 99.